We are at the footsteps of the pyramid in Giza in Egypt. This is the closest, no, that we are going. These are truly physical marbles, no? Engineering marble. So yan. And let us see, we're covered under the sun, behind the sun. So this is we're looking for companions, no? Ito walaan, no? Tingnan natin sa background. Ayan, grabe. Tingnan nyo gaano kataas, oh. Paano ginawa to, no? During the old times. This needs a lot of knowledge about engineering, because this is a giant structure. One of the 7 wonders of the world, the pyramids in Egypt. Tingnan niyo yung surrounding, palibot yan, no? So medyo inabutan na rin ng mga built-in structures. This structure is near Cairo, no? Around less than an hour drive lang. Hanggang dito lang. Okay. Wala naman tayo nakikita, no, na umakyat ng mga tao.
Good morning.
Okay.
Good mate. Hello.